Rob says, is it normal that tools like Majestic and SEMrush do not pick up backlinks to the IDPage URL on ADS? No, they do. Again, they do. So let's go take a look at it. I actually pulled up the Albemarle Felling Pro ID page right there. This is Majestic. Well, let me rephrase the question. Majestic and SEMrush. Okay. I can't. SEMrush should for sure, because anybody that uses SEMrush for backlink analysis, first of all, why? SEMrush is the worst backlink analysis application known to man, in my opinion. It's terrible, in my opinion, because it shows absolute everything, even all the garbage links and everything that like are just being completely ignored by Google anyways. And it also shows toxicity score, which I think is way overly sensitive. I think SEMrush is terrible for backlink analysis personally. I only use Majestic for backlink analysis because of the topical trust flow metric. That's what matters to me, is the relevance. And then trust flow becomes an important metric if the backlinks are relevant. I don't really care about any other metrics or anything else either, just to be clear. But again, this just proves, and I'm not trying to gotcha or disprove you, I'm just stating it absolutely will show the backlinks that are built to it. Right? If the backlinks aren't being picked up, maybe the backlinks aren't being recognized by the app, whichever app you're using. Which, by the way, if you're using Majestic, there is the submit URLs. So if you want Majestic to show you the data, you can take the backlinks that you were building to a particular target URL and you can submit them right here and click submit for crawling. And within about 24 hours, you will then see those backlinks pointing to the target URL, if that makes sense. Okay, but that's an S3 page, ID page. This shows 101 backlinks built to it, right? And look at the topical relevance. That's a relevant category for a tree service contractor, all right?